If your HydroWave H2 unit isn't sounding right, replacing the speaker and power cord might be the simple fix you need. Designed specifically for all HydroWave H2 models, this replacement set offers an easy way to restore your device's full performance without hassle. What makes this replacement speaker and power cord stand out is how straightforward the installation process is. You don't need any special tools or technical skills, just about 10 minutes and you're done. That means less downtime and more time enjoying your HydroWave's benefits. Many users appreciate that you don't have to buy an entirely new HydroWave unit just to fix the speaker. This thoughtful design saves you money and reduces waste, while still delivering the sound quality you expect from your device. One of the top reviews from the United States highlights just how well this replacement works. The customer installed it in about 10 minutes and said it works perfectly, expressing complete satisfaction with the product's performance and ease of use. Another user praised the product for being well thought out, especially appreciating the option to replace just the speaker rather than the whole unit. This kind of flexibility is a real benefit for anyone looking to maintain their HydroWave H2 without unnecessary expenses. The installation process itself is straightforward and hassle-free. Most customers report no issues during setup, confirming that the replacement speaker fits perfectly and the power cord functions exactly as expected. If you've been struggling with a malfunctioning HydroWave H2 speaker or power cord, this replacement is a practical and reliable solution. It restores your device's sound clarity and power, making it feel like new again. One reviewer summed it up simply: the HydroWave now works perfectly after the replacement. This kind of feedback shows the product delivers on its promise and meets customer expectations consistently. The replacement speaker and power cord come as a complete set, ensuring you have everything needed for the repair in one purchase. This convenience means no waiting around for multiple shipments or searching for compatible parts. Customers also appreciate the smooth transaction process. Reviews mention that the item arrived as described and the seller provided a hassle-free buying experience, which adds confidence when ordering online. Replacing the speaker and power cord is a smart move if you want to extend the life of your HydroWave H2 without breaking the bank. It's a cost-effective upgrade that brings back the crisp sound and reliable power you need. The product's compatibility with all HydroWave H2 models means you don't have to worry about fit or function. It's engineered to match the original parts exactly, so you get seamless performance once installed. If you're considering whether to replace your HydroWave H2 speaker and power cord, this option is worth a look. It offers a practical fix, easy installation, and solid results, backed by positive user feedback. In short, this replacement kit solves common issues quickly and efficiently. You get what you need to get your HydroWave H2 back in top shape without the expense or hassle of a full unit replacement. Try this replacement speaker and power cord when you're ready to restore your HydroWave's sound and power. It's a straightforward solution that delivers reliable results and keeps your device working like new. Don't let a faulty speaker or power cord slow you down. This replacement is designed to get your HydroWave H2 back to its best, so you can enjoy uninterrupted use and the benefits you expect. With easy installation, perfect compatibility, and strong customer approval, this replacement set is the practical choice for HydroWave H2 owners who want to fix their units quickly and affordably. In conclusion, if your HydroWave H2 needs a speaker or power cord replacement, this product offers a reliable, user-friendly solution. It restores performance, saves money, and keeps your device running smoothly.